NDF Focus Strawberry Peach Pops. And for this, you do need a blender or something to puree it.
So first we're going to start with 6 dropperfuls of NDF Focus.
And while you do that, I'm gonna grab the maple syrup and we're gonna do 1/4 to a 1/2 cup of this. And I did that perfectly because this is 8 ounces and I would say that's right in the middle.
6 ounces of strawberries.
And 6 ounces of peaches. I was gonna eyeball that as well.
Okay, I'll let you do that.
I didn't bring my kitchen scale this morning.
You know, you can wing these kinds of things. It's summer. We're making a summer dessert. A tablespoon of lemon juice.
Which we already have.
And then our 1 cup of water. And
that's it. Now we blend.
Okay. Oh my gosh, that smells delicious. Let's see.
Oh, it's so good. I could drink that whole thing.
That one isn't going. Okay.
Sweet.
Okay.
And we'll be back with frozen pops. Hi everyone. So it has now been a couple days, so our popsicles are nice and frozen, and we're gonna do the great reveal. So we'll start with these ones. They're beautiful. I'm very proud.
Wow, that is amazing.
Are you filming me, guys?
I mean, yeah.
Oh no. This is my favorite mold though. That's so pretty.
That's so pretty. Oh my goodness.